In this video, I'll show you how to install the new status bar on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Just follow the simple steps to set it up in a few minutes. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and select the latest option and scroll down. Under Assets, select this x64.msi. Once download done, click on the folder and double click on the setup. Install. Once the installation done, go to search menu and type YASB. Click on the application. Start YASB, and now you will see the status bar. You can access lots of things easily. If you want to change this theme, then click on the system tray, right click on the YASB and select get themes option. On left side you can able to see themes listed. You need to choose the one you like. I'm going with this Windows 11 theme. Select install theme option and select install, and it's successfully installed. As you can see, you can open the Chrome and start menu. Everything is in here. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.